5'2", 135 pounds, black hair, and brown eyes in connection with his abduction. The suspect is driving a 1998 black Jeep Grand Cherokee with Texas license plate FTM1941. The suspect was last heard from in Lamarck, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child is in grave and immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, please call the Lamarck Police Department at 409-938-9269. That phone number again is 409-938-9269.
This is Noah. Weather Radio, Station WXK67 in San Antonio, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.
No, it's not. That's not a crime. They didn't do anything criminal.
San Antonio, National Weather Service Forecast Office.
I turned the WR120 and the WR100 on too late. I was measuring my height.
At 7 p.m. in San Antonio,
It's still
it was
flashing.
mostly cloudy. The temperature was 48, the dew point 26, the relative humidity was 42%, the wind east at 8 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 44, and the pressure was 30.23 inches.
Turn off.
Rising. Austin Bergstrom, partly cloudy 51. Bernie Stage, partly cloudy 46.
How do you turn this thing off?
Pleasanton, partly cloudy 52. Corpus Christi, mostly cloudy 58. Brownsville,
How in the
clear
world do I
51.
turn this off?
Houston, mostly cloudy 52.
It has to stop flashing. I like it when it flashes. Come on. Come on, Eton.
Reminds me of Arabs teaching their kids to hate.
Turn this down. This radio is always on, so I can't turn it off. But yeah, the WR120 and WR100 I turned on after the alert started. So, yeah, this child abduction is not cool. Okay? If you guys know about it, post down in the description and call the police.